Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am making an apple and sultana pie. What you will need: 3 cooking apples, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of sultanas, water and short crust pastry. Grease or line your dish and preheat your oven. Into your saucepan add your apple, sultanas, cinnamon, sugar and a little bit of water onto a low heat. Now leave and come back and check every so often and give it a mix. If you want to know how to make my short crust pastry, then click on the eye icon in the top corner to check out my mince pie video, or I will leave a link in the description below. Now you're going to knead your dough and then you're going to cut it in half into a top and a bottom. Now that we have our 2 halves, we're going to put 1 half to the side back into your cling film. Now we're going to roll the base to our pie. Now add your pie filling. Now take the other half of the dough and roll it out for your lid. Using the leftover bits of dough, I am making a nice topping for the lid. Enjoy your pie with ice cream, cream, custard or on its own. Thank you for watching.